In this video, we're going to show you how to do a suitability analysis to rank locations using geosocial data. In the last video, we walked you through how to use geosocial in a portfolio analysis to surface which segments are related to successful stores for the Shinola brand. And we found that LGBTQ culture, coffee lovers, bookish, girls night out, all consistently show up around high-performing stores. With that knowledge, we created an index of those 4 segments to identify the neighborhoods that most closely match Shinola's customer profile. We were able to drop into the Cincinnati DMA and immediately see which neighborhoods would be a good fit for Shinola. Today, we're going to use that index to help Shinola locate their next store in the Cincinnati market. On the map here, I have found 4 locations that are currently vacant and fit Shinola's store footprint. To choose among these stores, we're going to do a suitability analysis, which is very simple. We choose the suitability analysis tool, and we're going to add 3 basic variables plus our Shinola index. So I'm adding population, median income, traffic counts, and finally, our Shinola index. So I'll run the report. And immediately we get a ranking of these stores. And you can see that it is weighting all 4 criteria equally. So the downtown location performs well in all the variables and also most closely matches the Shinola neighborhood index. And as a bonus, it actually has the second lowest rent of all 4 sites. Okay, so we use Geosocial to create a brand-specific neighborhood index and use that as a criteria for selecting a new site in a suitability analysis.